Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome back with me, Gabriela Audi Prudensia, in Breaking News. What are the COVID variant and do vaccines still work? The Omicron variant has become the dominant type of coronavirus circulating in many countries, overtaking previous variants such as Delta. It can be contagious even if you have been vaccinated, but current vaccines are still providing good protection against severe illness. What is Omicron? A variant is a slightly altered or mutated version of a virus. There are thousands of COVID variants around the world, which is to be expected because viruses mutate all the time. Omicron is strangely different from some other COVID variants, and the one that started the pandemic because of the long list of genetic mutation it has undergone. In particular, there are dozens of changes to the part of the virus targeted by the vaccine, the spike protein. This could make it better at sidestepping some of the protection offered by vaccine. Or post-infection with COVID, Omicron does appear to be highly spreadable even in those who have been fully jabbed. Omicron variant more mutation may make it spread faster. Spike protein help the virus enter human cell. New variant has 32 mutation on the spike protein, and new variant has 10 mutation on the receptor binding domain which gains entry to cell. There are several types of sublineage of Omicron, including BA.1.1.529 and BA.2, that have slightly different mutations from each other. The World Health Organization says mounting evidence suggests BA.2 is proving to be a bit more transmissible than the others. Is it worse than other variants? The evidence shows Omicron infection tend to be milder, since fewer people are getting sick enough with it to need hospital treatment compared to other variants. That is largely down to the amount of protection or immunity that people have built against COVID from past infection and vaccination. Rather than change to the virus itself, even so, if it is more infectious, it could lead to more deaths in an unvaccinated population. Are current vaccines good enough? Preliminary lab studies found 2 doses of COVID vaccine may not be enough, which is why some countries, including the UK, are giving people extra doses to boost their immunity. UK research suggests boosters should provide good protection against severe illness. As with other COVID variants, the risks remain highest for people who are elderly or who have significant underlying health condition. Although current vaccine may not be a perfect fit for Omicron, they are still the best line of defense against COVID. They have cut the risk of severe illness against the major COVID variants including Delta, Alpha, Beta, and Gamma. Doctor says it is vital people get the recommended number of doses to gain maximum protection against existing and emerging variants. Coronavirus variants, what are they and how do they happen? High numbers of cases increase risk of mutation. The more a virus spreads, the more chance it has to make. Thousands of small changes have been seen in coronavirus so far, most with little impact. And then some mutation lead to new variants. Every so often a virus changes in a way that helps it survive. Scientists are particularly concerned about change to the spike protein, the part that helps it enter human cells. How quickly we get the new vaccines against variants. Updated version of vaccine against COVID variants are already being designed and tested. Manufacturers could scale up production quickly too, and regulators have already discussed how to fast-track the approval process. Moderna has already said it hopes to have an Omicron booster ready by March, although lab tests in animals suggest they may offer little advantage over standard shots. What about the other variants, key coronavirus variants? Alpha with the scientific name B.1.1.7 and the country were first documented in Kentucky, UK and Beta with the scientific name B.1.351 and the country were first documented in South Africa, Gamma with the scientific name P.1 and the country were first documented in Brazil, Delta with the scientific name B.1.617.2 and the country were first documented in India, and the last Omicron with the scientific name B.1.1.529 country were first documented in multiple countries. The most potentially dangerous ones are called variants of concern. UK officials have been keeping an eye on a recent descendant of the Delta variant called A.4.2 or Delta Plus, as well as the Omicron or Deltacron, the COVID infection that combine Delta and Omicron. Why do variants occur? Viruses make carbon copies of themselves to reproduce, but they are not perfect at it. Error keep in the charge the genetic blueprint, resulting in a new version of the virus. If this gives the virus a survival advantage, the new version will thrive. The more chance coronavirus has to make copies of itself. In us, the host, the more opportunities there are for mutation to occur. That's why keeping infection down is important. Vaccine help by cutting transmission as well as protecting against serious COVID illness. Thank you for watching and listening, and goodbye.